Hey everybody, Jack and Sunny here. I wanted to show you my latest project and talk a little bit about how I made this because I think it might give you some ideas for yourself to kind of get creative and do some things sort of out of the box. So I'm calling this piece my Foundling. I think it's a Foundling because it's made out of found materials. So a little bit of the backstory. On the backside here, you'll see this apple snail shell. Sonny and I were out for a walk and found that one day. It was in pretty good condition. And I said, well, yeah, I could use that for something. So I brought it home, cleaned it out. And as you can see, it kind of looks cool. Now, one of the other things on here, you'll see there are a bunch of kind of pointed things going down the spine. You'll see here, top of the head, right there on the nose, and then there are some fangs on either side of the mouth, and those are fossilized shark's teeth, also found. We had those laying around for years. We found them on the beach, pretty common here where we live. Also, the body here, which let me just show you more of that. This body and this piece here are found materials as well. Both of those are driftwood found in Oregon and then given to my daughter Jordan and her husband Charlie. And they said, well, let's give these to your dad, and here we go. We've used those materials as well. And this head that I carved, I found on the internet on the Heineke Lumber website. So this piece here, the head, was really the only piece that I purchased. Everything else was all found material. So this is my Foundling. I can encourage you, hopefully, to think about things you might have laying around that you can put together and turn into something. And this was a really fun project. I got the goofy look that I wanted with the face, and I'm pretty satisfied with the materials. You'll see that on the back here, there's a lot of texture. I did use a Dremel to create the small little lines to get that flesh to look almost like a snail. But all of the shaping that I did here, the contours, that was all hand tools. So there you go, folks. That's my Foundling. Hope you'd like it.